guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and in today's video I'm doing a lipstick swatch. It's been, I don't even know the last time I did a lipstick swatch, but I don't really be hype about lipsticks like that. I really just wear nude colors. But Nyma Tang and Dose of Colors dropped this collection. They dropped a nude collection and a coral collection. But since I'm definitely more of a nude type of person and I love browns, any shade of brown really, that complements my skin, I went ahead and I just got the nude set. I'm gonna do an Instagram reel. So if you aren't following me on Instagram at Kandidkinks, go ahead and do that. But I was like, oh, I can just make a YouTube video out of this if anybody on YouTube wants to see how this looks on my skin tone. It's kind of hard to find deep, dark browns that are like truly just brown. So I'm hype. I'm very hype. The swatches online look so freaking beautiful. This is my first time ever buying from this brand also. So I'm just gonna open it. The set I believe was $50, like $49, I'm pretty sure, but you get 4 products for the price. You can't buy them separately. And it comes with a regular lipstick, a liquid matte lipstick, and then a gloss and a liner. So no need for long talking, y'all. Let me just start the swatching process. That's what we're here for. So we're gonna start with the liner. This is, it's called the chocolate chip lip liner. I'm just gonna start with that. And I'm gonna do the lighter lipstick with the liner first, and then we're gonna go darker. I'm hype, I'm really hype. Oh, it's so dark. I love it. Like, we need dark lip liners. Oh. I'm always looking for a liner that's this color. Like, I swear. And I have a few favorites that are like close, but it's never this dark. This is going to be one that I use all the time to make my light nude lipsticks blend perfectly. Oh, I love it. I'm even in front of the window today with no lighting, just to give you guys a true color. Adding some more on the bottom. I like to do this to help it blend. This could really be like a lip color by itself. This is the lipstick, it's called Penny. Y'all are gonna see me with this on. Tell me this is not perfect. And it's a very like light and creamy, almost like a satin finish lipstick. Y'all are gonna see me with this on. Y'all finna ask me, I'm wearing the Nyma Tang lip collection. Come on. Come on. Look at it. Look at it. The only liner that I have that's like goes that dark and it's like a really nice deep brown is from the Crayon Case, and it's called Bear. That's a really good like close dark brown to this color. But this is very creamy, y'all. I'm finna be out here. So I'm gonna go in with the gloss next, since that just makes sense to me, right? Like, it's gonna come off easier than the lips, than the liquid matte. So this smells spicy, like herbs, like spices. Hold on. Oh, nah. Nah. Y'all are not gonna be able to contain me, okay? No one is gonna be able to contain me with this lip. Wait. Wait. This is gorgeous. No, this is gorgeous. I feel like we underestimate the power. Oh, the sun is moving again. I feel like we underestimate the power of a deep, beautiful nude brown on brown complexions. This is gorgeous. And I'm sorry the light is changing, but I feel like you can see me in different lights. Like the video's gonna go up anyway. So y'all gonna see me in the bright light, in the dim light, the house light. You know what I'm saying? The sun is playing peekaboo, but y'all really getting like a real like depiction of what it's gonna look like in all lights pretty much. Like, you know. Seriously though. The sun's back. Hello, sun. Seriously though. I actually should have shot in my room with no sunlight, but I wanted to get like a real color payoff. Oh my God, I love it. Let me move on. So this is in the color Igen. Y'all. So next is the liquid matte, and the liquid matte is the same color as Igen, I'm pretty sure. It's in the color Like to See It. There's your close-up. Depending on your skin tone, it can give you vampy, but I like that it's vampy without the red. Like, I don't really want red vampy. Like, I like this because it's very neutral. It's just brown. Like, it's just brown. I haven't worn a liquid matte lip in so long that this actually feels like very comfortable, and it feels like soft and light on the lips and not like super hard and like drying. It's giving what it was supposed to give. Like, it's giving what they said it would give. And I actually really like that the gloss matches the liquid lipstick exactly. So depending on your vibe, your mood, where you're going, you can put on the gloss or the liquid matte and you have the same color payoff. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick try on video. I'm gonna leave her video down below if you don't follow Nyma. She does really beautiful looks, but it's also just like amazing to see deeper complexions like amplified and growing, and just getting like these huge collaborations that help people that look like us, because now we can wear the lips and not have to work so hard to make it work for us. And I'm not the darkest person out, but I have had issues finding perfect nudes. It's getting easier now, but I can imagine someone deeper or darker that has even more of a hard time finding the right shades. The lighting out here has been a disaster, but the video is gonna go up and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, you came to watch the swatches, join us. I post twice a week if I'm on my stuff. Give the video a thumbs up on your way out. And if you are a subscriber but you have not joined notification gang and click that bell button, that's also extremely helpful, because YouTube loves to play us and not let y'all know that we drop new stuff, you know what I mean? I refuse to end the video looking this pale, so we're gonna wait for the sun to move again before I end this video, because no ma'am, I refuse. I'm not this pale. Golly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.